Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to our channel. Today our topic is time and work. Before going into the topic, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let us go to the topic. The one and only important formula in this topic is time is equal to total work by efficiency. Here efficiency is equal to total work by time. Here efficiency is the amount of the work that can be completed in one day by a person. Here the amount of the work completed by a person will vary from person to person. That is, time is inversely proportional to, when the work is constant, time is inversely proportional to efficiency. If the efficiency is more, then time is less, and if the time is more, the efficiency is less. For example, if Dhoni can eat 50 doshas in one day, while Rahul can eat only 30 doshas in one day, here Dhoni's efficiency is greater than Rahul's efficiency. If there is a competition between them to eat 200 doshas, then Dhoni can complete the task in less time when compared to Rahul, because the efficiency of Dhoni is more than that of Rahul. Here the efficiency is also we can also called as capacity of Dhoni. He can eat 50 doshas per day, so his capacity is more. So the time taken by him to complete the total work, that is to eat 200 dosha, is less when compared to the Rahul. Here I have explained the efficiencies between the two persons, that is A and B. If the efficiency of A and B are in the ratio of 2:1, then the time taken by A and B will be in the ratio of 1:2. That is, time is inversely proportional to efficiency. Here the first question is, Anil can do a piece of work in 18 days, while Bhaskar can do the same work in 36 days. In how many days can both together complete the work? Here we need to find the total time taken by both completing the work. So in this topic I am going to explain two methods. One is the basic and the concept method, and the second one is shortcut method. Here the first method, that is basic method, is part of the work done by the Anil in one day is 1 by 18. Anil can do complete the work in 18 days. So in one day he can do 1 by 18 the work. In the same manner, part of work done by the Bhaskar in one day is 1 by 36. We need to find the total work taken by both, complete the time taken by the both to complete the work. Here the part of work done by both in the one day is 1 by 18, which is of Anil's one day work, and 1 by 36, which is Bhaskar's one day work. By solving this, we can get the part of work done by both in one day is 1 by 12th part. So if they can do 1 by 12th of the work in one day, then the number of days taken by together to complete the total work is 12 days. And the second method is, Anil can do work in 18 days, while Bhaskar can do work in 36 days. Here the first step we need to follow is, we need to find the LCM of both 18 and 36. Here 18 is a multiple of 36, so 36 is LCM of both the numbers. So LCM becomes 36 here. Here the LCM is 36. And the next step we have to do is, by dividing the 36 by 18, first one, by dividing that 36 by 18, we get the value of 2, and that is the efficiency. Here efficiency of Anil, and when the 36 is divided by 36, that is the efficiency of Bhaskar. Here both 2 and 1 are the efficiency of both Anil and Bhaskar. So we need to find the time taken by both when they are doing combined work. That is, we need to add both the efficiencies. That is, total units of work done by both in one day is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 units. Here they can complete the 3 units of work in one day, and that we need to consider the LCM, which is 36, as the total work. So if they can do 3 units of work in one day, total work is 36. Then 36 units of work can be done, completed in 36 by 3 is equal to 12 days. And the second question is, Uday can complete a piece of work in 21 days. Uday and Vinod can complete the work in 14 days. In how many days Vinod alone can complete the work? Here, given that Uday is single day work and Uday and Vinod together work, given values, we need to find the Vinod alone work. We need to find the Vinod alone work. Here I'm doing the problem is a basic and a shortcut method, and the first one is basic method. Part of the work done by the Uday in one day is 1 by 21, and part of the work completed by Uday and Vinod together in one day is 1 by 14. So let us consider Vinod can complete the work alone in X days. So when by adding the both Vinod one day work and Uday's one day work, we get the part of the work done by both Vinod and Uday in one day in the equation form, that is 1 by 21 plus 1 by x is equal to 1 by 14. Here 1 by 14 is part of the work completed by Uday and Vinod in one day. Here 1 by 21 is part of the work completed by Uday in one day, and 1 by x is part of the work completed by Vinod in one day. So by solving the above equation, we get the value of x as 42. So as we consider the Vinod can complete the work in x days, here x is 42. So Vinod can take 42 days to complete the work alone. And in the second method, that is shortcut method, first we have to write the such as Uday's one day work is 20. Uday's total amount of days is 21. Uday's and Vinod's total amount of days is 14. And the first step we have to do is we need to find the LCM of both 21 and 14. Here 21 and 14 common LCM is 42. By dividing the 42 by 21, we get the efficiency of Uday is 2. And by dividing the 42 by 14, we get the efficiency of Vinod plus Uday is 3. So here the efficiency of Vinod and Uday is 3, and here the efficiency of Uday is 2. So by subtracting the efficiency of Uday from Vinod plus Uday, we can get the efficiency of Uday. That is, efficiency of Vinod is 1. So if we know the efficiency is 1 unit per day, as we know that we are considering total amount of the work is 42 here. So the total work completed by Vinod alone in 42 is 42 by 1, that is 42 days. And the next question is third question. Ajay and Beam can complete a piece of work in 12 days and 15 days. Here the amount of work completed by individual persons is Ajay can complete the work in 12 days, while as Beam can complete the work in 15 days. Both started working together, but Ajay left the work after 4 days. Okay, initially they started working together, and after working for 4 days, Ajay had left the work. Ajay had left after 4 days. In how many days can Beam can complete the remaining work? After completing 4 days, some amount of work is completed by both of them. We need to find the remaining time in which Beam can complete the remaining work. Here I am doing the basic shortcut method so that you can understand easily. Given that Ajay's complete amount of days is 12 days and Beam's complete amount of days is 15 days, we need to find the LCM, that is 15 and 12's LCM is 60, and when dividing the 60 by 12, we get the value of efficiency of Ajay is 5, and when we are dividing the 60 by 15, we get the efficiency of Beam as 4 units. Here the Ajay's efficiency is 5 units and the Beam's efficiency is 4 units. As I have mentioned, 60 is LCM of both the 12 and 15, and so for the first 4 days, Beam and Ajay together continued to do the work for 4 days. Here the amount of total efficiency for complete efficiency per day by working together is 5 plus 4 is equal to 9 units. Or we can also write as individually, that is Ajay is 5 units of efficiency for 4 days. Here 5 units into 4 days. 5 4s are 20 units can completed by Ajay in 4 days. While Beam's efficiency is 4 is the efficiency and 4 is the 4 days, that is 4 4s are 16. total work completed by both of them in the first 4 days is 20 units by Ajay and Beam as 16 units. So the total amount of units is 36 units. Here the total work as we considered as 60 units. So by subtracting the 36 from the 60 unit, we can get the remaining work, that is 60 minus 36 is equal to 24 units, which has to be completed by the Beam alone. So let us consider the X as a number of days. Here the question is, in how many days Beam can complete the remaining work? Let us consider he can complete in X days. So his daily efficiency is 4 units per day. 4 units per day. 4 into number of days as X is equal to total work remaining is 24, which has to be completed by Beam alone. So by solving this, we get the value of X as 6 days. Here Beam can complete the remaining work, which is 24 units of work in 6 days. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification when I upload a new video. Thank you guys.